You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these name once and for all correctly. We need to know the origin for it. It's a girl's name of Spanish, Latin, and Greek origins. Originally Greek and then Latin, and Spanish means slay man. Deyanira, the Greek pronunciation, also Latin, Deyanira, therefore also Spanish pronunciation, by the way. In English, it's generally pronounced as Deyanira. Deyanira. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know how and where are you from in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.